Hello everyone and welcome to my character design challenge. In this video I'm going to be illustrating a character using Jazz's Arty Party app. I've even done a little bit of background on the character that I will be narrating as I am doing a bit of a speed draw. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you do. Let's get started. A figure skater that has a tiny hat who's wearing military fatigues. Military fatigues are kind of those casual military clothes that you'll see soldiers who are off duty wearing. They're a bit loose, kind of baggy. And yeah, let's get started. Ever since she was a child, Trisha had a way with ice. She started ice skating when she was 6 and began training seriously at age 10. Trisha dreamed of being in the Olympics, and she was talented enough to do so. When Trisha was 11, her father gave her a beautiful tiara to wear on the ice. Soon after, her father died in a terrible accident, and Trisha joined the military to help pay for her family's bills. At 18, she became a cadet in the army where she trained every day. After 3 years, her mother was dying. Trisha was with her in the hospital where her mother told her to pursue her dreams. "Don't let them die," she said weakly. "Live life and shine." Trisha's mother died after those final words. She left the military after 2 more years to save money. Then Trisha sought out her old figure skating coach to begin training once again. She still wears her tiara on the ice, and her outfit was designed like military fatigues, an ode to her past. Alright guys, here she is. This is Trisha, the figure skater. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I will be posting videos like this every week, so look out for those. And I will see you next time. Bye.